India's rich history in chemistry spans from ancient alchemy to modern scientific advancements, significantly shaping its scientific landscape. Understanding India's contributions to chemistry enhances appreciation for its role in various life spheres, from ancient to modern times. Chemistry's scope includes studying the properties, structure, and reactions of substances, crucial for understanding natural and industrial processes. Ancient alchemists sought the philosopher's stone and the elixir of life, marking early pursuits in transformative chemical processes. Ancient Indian chemistry, Rasayan Shastra, included metallurgy, medicine, and cosmetics, showcasing advanced chemical knowledge and techniques. Copper metallurgy and glass production in ancient India highlight indigenous technological advancements during the Chalcolithic period. The Vedic period saw advanced chemical processes like leather tanning, cotton dyeing, and salt production, reflecting early chemical knowledge. Archaeological findings in North India reveal advanced metallurgical and ceramic techniques, demonstrating ancient Indian craftsmanship. Ancient Indian medical texts like Sushruta Sanhita and Charka Sanhita detail chemical knowledge, including preparation of acids and gunpowder. Nagarjuna, an esteemed Indian scientist, significantly advanced chemistry and metallurgy, particularly in mercury compounds and metal extraction. The Sanvam text, from around 800 CE, discusses furnaces, metal identification, and a scientific approach to ancient Indian chemistry. Chakrapani discovered mercury sulfide and invented soap, showcasing innovative chemical applications in ancient India. Ancient Indian paintings, like those at Ajanta and Ellora, demonstrate sophisticated chemical techniques in pigment preparation and application. Varamihi's Brihad Sanhita describes natural ingredient-based glutinous materials, showcasing ancient India's advanced chemical knowledge. Dyeing in ancient India utilized natural sources like turmeric, madder, sunflower, and lac, reflecting expertise in natural dye production. Ancient Indian texts detail recipes for perfumes and cosmetics, indicating advanced knowledge in creating these products. Paper and ink developments in ancient India, evidenced by 4th century excavations, highlight advancements in writing and knowledge preservation. Fermentation knowledge in ancient India, as detailed in Vedic texts and Arthashastra, shows a sophisticated understanding of biochemical processes. Acharya Kanda's atomic theory, formulated around 600 BCE, introduced the concept of indivisible particles, predating Western atomic theories. Kanda's Parmanu, atoms, were considered eternal, spherical, suprasensible, and in constant motion, showcasing advanced ancient Indian thought. Kanda's atomic theory explained atom varieties, combinations, and unseen forces, reflecting a remarkably advanced understanding of matter. Charka Sanhita, the oldest Ayurvedic text, discusses particle size reduction and the use of bhasma, indicating ancient nanotechnology practices. Nanotechnology in ancient India, evidenced by bhasma preparations, shows advanced medical practices validated by modern scientific studies. The decline of traditional chemistry in India began with the fall of alchemy and continued with the rise of Western medicine in the 20th century. Foreign influence in the late 19th century led to the decline of indigenous techniques as European scientists introduced modern chemistry to India. Modern chemistry deals with the composition, structure, and interaction of matter, crucial for understanding everyday and industrial processes. Chemistry is termed the science of atoms and molecules, focusing on these fundamental, often invisible, units of matter. Quantitative aspects of chemistry involve precise measurement and complex calculations to describe and predict chemical phenomena. Units are essential in chemistry for accurate measurement, comparison, standardization, and calculations, facilitating global scientific communication. The future of chemistry in India lies in blending traditional knowledge with modern science, driving innovation and global contributions.